I'm not an agent for Maxicare, pero pag chinek nyo guys yung website nila, so maxicare.com.ph, and then go to plans, and then click individuals, for individual and family. And then, panoorin nyo lang to guys, kasi nandito yung mga coverage, affiliated hospitals nila nandyan, and then get a plan estimate. Actually, may 1, 2, 3, 4 options, so check natin to. And then individual, so let's say gusto natin ng add dental coverage, and then annual. Ayan, 33,000 guys. Kung gusto nyo na mag-apply ito, and then kung gusto nyo i-check yung iba, ayan. Very user-friendly ng website nila. And then guys, nag-check din ako sa Pacific Cross. So kapag chinek nyo yung products and services nila, let's go to medical plans, and then ito yung sa akin guys. If you're going to check, naka-dollar siya. Pero yung ibang coverages, hindi siya naka-dollar. Maybe because meron siyang coverage abroad. Yung difference nila dun sa isa, sa Maxicare, di ba may affiliated sila? This one, it's your choice, worldwide. View full brochure. Nila yung FAQ, so very accessible to the public. Ito select. I think ito yung affordable nila. Choose your own hospital doctor. Reimbursement medical. Then magkano siya? Ito nakapeso siya guys. So very nice yung kanilang website. So not an agent in Pacific Cross. So for example, nakapili ka na or may gusto kang i-clarify, get a quote, and then I think babalikan ka nila. You can ask me kasi pwede ko namang isend sa inyo yung contact number ng aking Pacific Cross agent. And lastly, for Sunfit and Well Advantage, since I'm a financial advisor, guys, just give me your age, smoker ba kayo or non-smoker, male or female, monthly budget nyo, and then I can send you your options or we can discuss it virtual or personal meeting. As a quick reminder guys, make sure na dito kayo sa Pilipinas magsa-sign up because void or walang visa ang mga plans na nag-sign up sa abroad.